Introduction to version control and projects.
Version control is a system that tracks changes to code and files in a project. Tools like Git help teams and individuals manage their work, avoid mistakes, and collaborate efficiently. Understanding how these tools work is the first step to organizing your project's files and folders in a way that supports smooth development.
Why project structure matters.
A clear project structure keeps your code organized and makes collaboration easier. Version control tools store snapshots of your project, so a well-organized layout helps teammates find what they need. Good structure prevents confusion, streamlines updates, and reduces the risk of accidentally overwriting or losing important files.
How Git encourages organization.
With Git, every file and folder is tracked for changes. This motivates developers to group related files into folders, such as separating source code from documentation or assets. By following common layouts, like placing code in a circ folder and documentation in docs, your project becomes easier to manage, even as it grows.
Ignoring unnecessary files.
Version control lets you choose what to track or ignore. Tools like Git use a file called Git Ignore to exclude files such as temporary logs or system files. This keeps your project clean and prevents clutter, ensuring the repository only tracks files that matter to the project's progress.
Supporting teamwork and history.
A balanced project structure and version control make teamwork smoother. Team members can work on different features without interfering with each other's code. If problems come up, you can review the project's history, see who made changes, and even revert to previous versions. This leads to more reliable and maintainable software.
Conclusion. Get started with best practices.
Version control tools like Git do more than save your code history. They guide you to organize your projects effectively. For beginners, start by structuring your folders logically and using .gitignore wisely. Over time, these habits help your projects stay clean, understandable, and ready for collaboration.